Okay, so what we got here is a Ssangyong Musso 4 2023. We've upgraded the sound system of this vehicle. So what we've done is we've taken out the old factory speakers, very rubbish. They're only 20 watts, not very powerful. So it's a full component set we've taken out, replaced it with the Audison amp and Audison speakers on the front. As you can see, this is the Audison amp. It is beautifully hidden underneath the seat, so when the seat comes back you'll not see it, but it's nicely tucked here. The speakers have been replaced in the original location, so we have not changed it. Everything looks original, and the aftermarket speakers, Audison ones, are all installed, all done on the original factory screen. Also the subwoofer as well we have is hidden here, so this is the sub. It's hard to see it, but there is a sub here, this one here. So you got an 8-inch sub. Give a little listen to the clarity of the Audison speakers. It is very powerful and very clear, these Audison speakers. So if you want these installed on your Musso truck, Ssangyong, come visit us. So what we got is all powered it with the SR4300 and the APK 165s. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, and make sure you like this video if you found it helpful. And if you want this kind of setup done on yours, give us a shout.